What's going on YouTube? Hope you're having a great day today. So the crew over at RecoverFun sent us one of their RecoverFun Plus massage guns to try out for the office and give a little follow-up of a unboxing video, which we're going to do here, and then a follow-up of what we think about it and compare it to the other massage guns that we have in the office. So make sure you stay tuned for the unboxing, and we'll have a link down below to their website if you want to check out their products, and let's get the unboxing of it and see what's included inside. So I did cut this open off camera. So first thing you'll notice is when you open it that it does come already with a travel package, which I do really like a lot already, because a lot of companies this is an extra add-on where it could be a $50, $100 extra on top of the massage gun. So having one already included with your package is great to start with to begin with. So let's open it up here and check it out. So first thing you'll notice up top is your user manual. And then let's check out the gun itself. So pull out the plastic wrapping here, which I do like. So one thing I will notice a little bit is a little bit heavier than some right off the bat, but it's very ergonomically sound, so it's super easy to maneuver. Fits perfectly in my hands. I have a little bit bigger hands, but for myself it's pretty easy to control. And then over here you'll have your charger, which is great to have. Some actually do not include a charger, I've noticed that recently. And then just some extra attachment pieces, rubber pieces if you need them to replace. I think they go either in the head of the gun or on one of the pieces. And then over here you'll have an extra adapter. This is like a super soft, like kind of like spongy material. So great for if you need something not as aggressive and can absorb a lot of the impact. And then you'll have your typical attachments here, which the typical ball everyone's kind of known for right now. And then your paraspinals, so great for spine, neck, etc. Trigger point for getting very aggressive if you need to. Another soft end one here that has some spring to it. And then a typical flat one. So let's see if this actually has any battery in it. So this actually came fully charged, which is great to start with. So basically right out of the package it's ready to go. So let's just throw one of these on here. Also super easy to remove and change heads, which is great. I know some of them, once you put them on, they're basically on there for good. You basically have to rip it off. This is super easy to pull. So this one also does have 5 settings. So we'll take it up to the high one. And right off the bat, you can hear how quiet this is, which is huge for a small office like ourselves. We can't have something super loud in here because it'll echo throughout our building. So I really like that right away. And it's not vibrating in my hand too bad. Some massage guns I've read and seen, or a lot of people complain about hand fatigue after a while. This one doesn't vibrate as bad, so that's great. So just shut it off there. Switch on the bottom like typical. And then this one also has a removable battery, which is great if you want to get multiple batteries from them. I'm not sure if they offer it, I'll have to double check, but I would imagine they offer it. So super easy to put back together, clock it in, pull that apart. So yeah, first impressions, I do like how this is set up. I love their packaging, how it is. And I love the fact that it already came with this, especially our office is a very mobile office, so we're working with a lot of athletes and high-end clients. So having something protected is super great for us. We just basically throw this in our car and go. Whereas some of them, you need to spend an extra $50, $100 just to buy a case, just to carry it, and then all your attachments on top of that are different. So I do really like this first impression of it. I'm actually very excited to try this in the office for a couple weeks. So our plan is to review this within the next couple weeks here. We're going to give a review of what we think of the gun itself. And then we're also going to do a comparison video between our Hypervolt and our trigger point massage gun that we have to see pros and cons of this model compared to a Pro line, very expensive model. So I will have a link below if you guys want to check them out. I would definitely recommend this first off the bat just to see, but be sure to stay tuned for the follow-ups to come with a final opinion of it. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you guys later.